Welcome to my channel. Hopefully you're doing well. Thanks for joining me here. If this is the first time for you to visit, smash that like button and subscribe if you're feeling good about this video. If this video is boring for you, then you can move on to the next video somewhere else, a different channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Continue watching our videos and giving us a like. That's helpful if you want. That's person who gives tickets, parking tickets, not a cop. It's winter, streets are slippery, but it's a beautiful day here. Very cold, not too cold. It's 9 degrees. This is my hood, driving in my neighborhood. Leave a comment, let me know if you live in a state or country where you get snow. Does it get crazy like in Minnesota? Just a couple of days ago it was minus 30 degrees. So the schools were closed and some other places were closed too. So just driving in my neighborhood here. I'll show you around. Again, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from. The US or some other country. I have people watching my videos in many different countries like the Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, Canada, Germany, Ukraine, Russia, South Korea, South Africa, Brazil, Argentina. So I have subscribers from all over the world, and I appreciate each and every subscriber. And if you are watching, you are not subscribed, you can help us get to 15,000 subscribers by smashing that subscribe button. You don't have to, but would be nice. It's nice and sunny, but cold. There's my neighborhood here. I call it the hood. But some people complain and say, oh, you don't live in a hood. Yeah, I live in a hood. Different type of hood. Not like where houses are, apartments are stacked up on top of each other. You can see it's spacious. It's middle class neighborhood. I like it. The streets are very, very icy. They are frozen. So when you drive in winter, if you live in a state or country where you get snow, you get it. You understand, in winter, depending on road conditions, you know, you don't go fast because you're gonna crash. Stopping takes time. Nice old houses here. You can see that. I see icicles on that house. I'm not sure if you can see them. See that? Those are icicles. This is what my neighborhood looks like. You can see the houses are old because it's an old neighborhood. Live in Minnesota. Got a house. That looks like his patch on the hill. Looks beautiful out there, actually. See a lot of icicles over there. I'm not sure if I can catch them on camera. Let me try to zoom. That looks nice, beautiful. Once again, if you're not subscribed, support the work. Subscribe. I like those icicles over there. They're long. Holy cow, look at that. That's the most I've seen on a house. They still have some Christmas up there. Thank you so much for joining. We'll see you on the next video. Hopefully you're taking good care of yourself and spreading love instead of hate. It's an old Catholic church right there. It's called St. Bernard. Peace out.